G'day everyone, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at LEGO Set 21184, LEGO Minecraft The Bakery. This set was released in 2022. It contains 154 pieces and 3 minifigs. This set is aimed at ages 8+ and typically retails around $37. Being a fan of the Minecraft LEGO theme, I'm always keen to try new Minecraft sets. The Bakery has some unique colour schemes and interesting figures, so keen to check it out. But before we get into that, if you please hit that like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already, it would really help us out. So now, let's build it together. This is Baker, code MIN116. They are unique to this set, and here they are with their accessories. Here is a Minecraft bed with yellow sheets, and here is a crafting box. Here is a goat that we have built. As you can see, it has some flexibility in the head area. Here are some cool little gates that we've just built into the platform here. So I forgot to add this little 1x2 piece on top, which kind of limits the head movements of the goat, but not too much. So this is what the set looks like after bag 1. You can see we've got the main structure done. We've got that pink and white roof. Also got the little lantern there, the little plant on the side, and kind of the interior with the bed and the crafting table. So now let's continue on with the rest of the set. This is Snow Villager, code MIN115. They are also unique to this set. And here they are with their accessory, which is this nice yellow hat. And here we have an iconic Minecraft creeper, code MIN012. And here we have the baker's table, which includes a choc chip cookie and what appears to be a cake. So here we've just built this little snow piece, and you have this seesawing tile, which then you can build this chest and put it on there, and when you press down on the seesaw, it can come flying off, like so. So here we've got the water flowing in the middle and kind of a veggie patch set up, so it looks pretty nice. And there we go, that's this set all finished up. It came together quite easily, there wasn't too much to build with it. But anyway, I want to jump straight into reviews and talk about this set in a bit more detail. For buildability compared to other Minecraft set, this bakery set was pretty basic. There really wasn't anything too amazing about the design choices and the mechanics or lack thereof. It felt underwhelming to say the least. The only real positive were the minifigs, but even they are limited. It took no time at all to build, so won't exactly keep you too entertained for long. So for buildability, I'm giving this set a score of 2.5 out of 10. For looks, I have always liked the colour schemes of Minecraft sets, but this one seems strange for some reason. The purple and white mixed with the sky blue seems appealing at first, but the more you stare at it, the less appealing it becomes. The actual design of it feels unfinished, or at least half done. So for looks, I'm giving this set a score of 5.4 out of 10. For playability, this set, being as limited as it is, still offers a level of playability. The minifigs involved can be included in creative scenarios. The inclusion of iconic little Minecraft pieces, such as the bed, crafting table, chest, goat, and veggie patch, gives the user a range of possible scenarios to be mapped out and played. I would recommend this set for die-hard Minecraft fans, but not for casual LEGO collectors. So for playability, I'm giving this set a score of 7.4 out of 10. In order to answer the question of is it worth it, we place this set based on its total score on the scale of worth. With a total score of 15.3 out of 30, this set falls into the group of your move. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, then please hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I shall see you in the next one.